Today, we're going to look at how to deploy API simulation as a part of a CI/CD pipeline using Git and Git actions. Specifically, we'll walk through spinning up an ephemeral simulation environment on demand, running API tests against it, and tearing everything down automatically, all with a single pipeline run. In modern CI pipelines, testability depends on service availability. But real services aren't always up, and test data isn't always reliable. API simulation allows teams to remove those dependencies while still validating real integration behavior. Everything you're about to see is driven from source control. Simulation definitions, connections, and behaviors live as YAML files in Git, just like application code. The pipeline doesn't click buttons. It starts agents, deploys simulations, runs tests, switches modes, and shuts everything down, all from the command line or REST API. The pipeline starts by launching a simulation agent. In this example, it's running from the command line as a portable application, ideal for CI environments, where you want something lightweight and fast. The same agent can also be run in Docker just as easily, depending on how your pipeline is structured. Once running, the agent loads simulation assets directly from the Git repository. With the simulation in place, functional API tests run as normal. These could be Tosca tests or any other API test framework. From the test perspective, it's just calling an endpoint. But behind the scenes, responses are coming from controlled, deterministic simulations. Here's where it gets powerful. Mid-pipeline, we change the simulation's behavior programmatically. Using the simulator's REST API, the pipeline switches a connection from simulate first mode to forward first mode without redeploying anything. The same tests are executed, now interacting differently based on service availability. This allows teams to validate how their APIs behave when dependencies are unavailable or returning unexpected responses. It's the difference between brittle CI pipelines and resilient ones. Tests fail only when something meaningful changes, not because a downstream system is offline. Finally, the pipeline shuts everything down. No long-running environments, no cleanup scripts, no drift. This is API simulation as code, ephemeral, repeatable, and CI native. Thank you for watching.